Welcome to my channel Cars of the Future. Overview. The 2024 Tesla Cybertruck looks like it was dropped off by an alien race, but it's said to have the capabilities to challenge top-selling pickup trucks. With a sharp-edged stainless steel body that's also apparently bulletproof, Tesla's electric truck looks seriously tough. Two trims are in the mix for 2024, a 600 HP dual motor, a WD model, and an 845 HP tri-motor model called Cyberbeast. A single-motor rear-wheel drive Cybertruck is set to join the party sometime in 2025. Tesla claims the Cybertruck can tow up to 11,000 pounds and has an estimated driving range of up to 340 miles. Hooked up to a Tesla Supercharger, the EV truck can supposedly add between 128 and 136 miles of range in 15 minutes. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Those who thought the Tesla Model 3's interior was minimalistic will relive that reaction when they see the Cybertruck's Spartan cabin. While many standard features and options haven't been disclosed, the first images show a slab-like dashboard that is dominated by one large touchscreen. The Cybertruck will also be able to seat up to 6 people, and its cargo bed offers 121 cubic feet of volume. It also has a nifty slide-out tailgate that doubles as a ramp to load 4-wheelers and motorcycles. Towing and payload capacity. The dual and tri-motor Cybertrucks have a maximum towing capacity of 11,000 pounds. The forthcoming single-motor model is capped at 7,500 pounds. Every Cybertruck can also haul 2,500 pounds in its 6-foot by 4-foot composite cargo bed. The Cybertruck will eventually offer 3 different powertrain arrangements. At launch, dual and tri-motor models will be available and offer all-wheel drive. A rear-wheel drive single-motor model will join the lineup for the 2025 model year. The 600 APA WD Cybertruck will reportedly reach 60 mph in just 3.9 ticks and have a top speed of 112 mph. Is the Tesla Cybertruck really bulletproof? Tesla said back in 2019 that each door panel will weigh about 60 pounds as a result of the thick stainless steel skin. The carmaker had thought about increasing the thickness to 4 mm for even more bullet resistance, but that would have made each door 80 pounds. Conventional auto glass is one of the hardest media to consistently defeat with handgun projectiles, Harrison added. I've shot windshields with 9 mm hollow points, which barely made it through to the other side, so simply adding another layer to the sandwich would probably stop them. It's the same approach taken to make bullet-resistant screens in banks. Just keep adding thickness until you reach the level of protection needed.